I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be the 5th video of our Navratri series. If you are new here and if you don't know what is Navratri series, make sure to watch the first video of the Navratri series and then you'll get to know everything about Navratri series. Also watch all my previous videos of Navratri series. So today's video is going to be Devi Skandamata inspired makeup look and tutorial. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Aishwarya and today's video is going to be the 5th video of our Navratri series. If you are new here and if you don't know what is Navratri series, then make sure to check out the first video of the Navratri series and then you'll get to know everything about Navratri series. So I'll make sure to link it up here in the I button, so go watch it and also watch all my previous videos of Navratri series. And today's video is going to be Devi Skandamata inspired makeup look and tutorial. So Devi Skandamata is worshipped on the 5th day of Navratri and her name literally means the mother of Lord Kartikeya. Skanda means the other name of Lord Kartikeya and Mata means mother. So her name means mother of Lord Kartikeya. So she has 4 hands in which 2 of them is holding Lord Skanda and one is holding lotus and another is doing Ashirwad or something. And the saree color of Devi Skandamata is yellow color. So we'll keep all of these points in our mind and then we'll get started with today's video. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first off, as usual, I'll be using this Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer. Now I'll be applying this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And now I'll blend all of this foundation and then come back. Now I'll be concealing my dark spots using this Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer. I'll blend all of this concealer and then come back. Now I'll be using this dark brown bronzer to fill my eyebrows. And I'll be using this flat shader brush to fill in my eyebrows. Eyebrow and then come back. I'll be using the same Swiss Beauty Liquid Concealer and clean out my eyebrow edges. Now I'll quickly blend all of this concealer using this flat fluffy brush. So I'm done with my eyebrows. Now let's start with our eye makeup. I'll be using this You Can Be Spotlight 40 colored eyeshadow palette for this makeup look. Now first I'll be picking up this orange shade over here and I'll blend it in my crease. Picking up this pink shimmer shadow over here and I'll apply it over here in the middle of my eyelids. Now I'll be using this light orange shadow over here and kind of blend it with both of the shadows. Now I'll be using this light shade over here and use it in my outer corner. Now you guys can see I'm done with this eye. Now I'll be doing the same to this eye and then come back. So I'll be using this Miss Ads eyeliner for today's eyeliner. I'll draw the same eyeliner to this eye and then come back. So you can see I'm done applying the eyeliner to both my eyes. Now I'll be applying the mascara and my eyelashes off camera and then I'll come back. So I'm done applying the kajal, mascara and eyelashes. So let's move on to the rest of the base makeup. So I'll be using this Makeup Revolution Neutrals 2 palette for my blush and I'll be using this second shade over here. I'll be using this LA Colors Highlight and Contour palette to contour my nose and my face. So I'll be using this slightly angled brush to contour my nose. And now I'll be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Molten Gold to highlight my face and my nose. And I'll be using this flat fluffy brush to highlight my face. I'm done with the base makeup, so let's move on to lipstick. For lipstick, I'll be using this Maybelline matte lipstick in the shade Craving Coral. And now in order to set the makeup, I'll be using this Good Vibes Rose Hip Skin Clarifying Toner as a makeup fixer. Today's makeup look. Now I'm going to be showing you guys the saree, the blouse, the jewelry and all the other accessories that I'm going to be using in today's video.
सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरद्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कन्दमाता यशस्विनी सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरत्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कंदमाता यशस्विनी सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरत्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कंदमाता यशस्विनी ॐ देवी स्कंदमातायै नमः। 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 सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरत्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कंदमाता यशस्विनी सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरत्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कंदमाता यशस्विनी सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरत्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कंदमाता यशस्विनी ॐ देवी स्कंदमातायै नमः। 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 सिंहासन गता नित्यं पद्मांचितकरत्वया शुभास्तु सदा देवी स्कंद